Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool text effect on Canva. So you can go ahead and add in your text box. I'm just going to type in the word outline. You can also change the font here to maybe like this one. It's up to you also, like the font that you're using. Go to effects and select hollow, and you can adjust the thickness here. Then select a color. I'm just going to go from like purple to pink. I'm just going to select the darkest one. I'm going to copy and paste it and place it down a little bit, but just like by like the littlest bit. Then I'm going to change it to a lighter purple. Then going to do it again. Then I'm going to change it to like this other purple. And maybe you can be done with that. If the purple like color isn't like far off enough, you can like definitely change it. Like maybe the one before, I might change it to this one instead because the color wasn't that far off. And I'm going to adjust it so it's like kind of like on top like this a little bit. Then I'm just going to copy and paste it and do the same thing, and I'm going to change it to this pink color. It's up to you like how many lines you want, but I'm just going to leave it at 3. And that is it basically. You can move it downwards if you want more space in between, like before, and even move it to like the right if you want to a little bit, like that. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!